Hi, sixth grade orchestra students. Miss Hershey here. Just wanted to give you an update on what we're working on this week. When you open your orchestra course, you will see that we have last week, and now we have a new folder posted, which is for this week, April 14 through 17. If you haven't done the assignments in last week's folder, you may go there and finish them up. It's okay. But most of us are moving on to the new material. So let's explore what we're working on this week. As with last week, you have your practice journal again. This week, please focus on page 35 in your Essential Elements book. Once again, I want you to submit an assignment for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, listing the 3 things that you worked on: your warm-up, your challenging section of music that you tried to get better at, and lastly, your fun song that you play at the end. So that's that. After our practice routine, we are going to have a weekly performance song again, and this week you get to choose your song. Just pick one song on page 35. You might pick Bingo or Theme and Variations or the birthday song. Any of those are fine, any song on page 35. It's your choice. Just submit your recording by Friday, please, so I have time to grade it over the weekend. Next up, we have note naming practice. Now, last week we were only focused on C major, but this week we're going to combine all of the keys that we know. So we have C major, we know that's no sharps at all. G major, which starts on G and then has an F sharp in that key, and D major, which we know has 2 sharps. It has an F sharp and a C sharp. So make sure you check your key signature before you try to identify what note it is. Next up, there is a lesson on theme and variations. When you open this up, you're going to watch a video, and then there are questions to answer in a Google Doc about the video and about page 35 in your Essential Elements book. So you need to have watched the video and also have page 35 ready to go. And last, same as with last week, we have recordings and tutorials, and also if you don't have your book, page 35 is listed in here for you. Just to show you real quick, in the violin folder, here's page 35 if you need it. And then there are examples of videos of how to play each song. So that wraps it up for the assignments that you're working on this week. As always, if you have questions or you need help with tuning, just please reach out, send me a message. I'd be happy to help you, and we can set up a conference if you need one. Thanks for watching. Bye.